how big it is. Be careful, Dave. Don't watch it too closely. I got it. Oh, that was Dave. It's huge. Gotta get used to it. Okay, can you stop right here?
Stop
right here, yeah. Get some pictures, Dave! Yeah, we gotta get the f out of here pretty soon. Keep get it in reverse, put it in reverse. See which way it goes. Wait, can we go east of it? Go, blast east, hurry. They hit something. Go, you gotta move.
I got it. We got it.
Oh, we got it?
Oh, yeah.
Don't back up! I couldn't open the door.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Holy crap. Oh my good God.
Look at the debris coming down.
All the pieces of it. There's debris everywhere.
Wide angle.
Where? Yeah, I just saw one. There's a power flash. Listen to it. Oh man.
It's getting really big now.
Yeah.
It's huge. There you go, Dave. Look at that. Get out, get out. Are you sure? Put it in manual if you need to. Hold that. Oh my God, that thing is a monster.
Yeah, it is.
That thing is a monster.
Incredible. This is for you, Rick.
Not moving at all.
Yeah,
it's just getting
sitting
bigger,
there, isn't it?
Huge wedge. Okay, you gotta get out and get pictures of this. Just just cover like 10. Need to delete every picture on there. It's just sitting in that field. Did you get some good ones?
Light.
Why? You can just...
Am I safe to get out?
Yeah, you're safe. That's it, okay. Here. Steady. Hold it steady and level, Dave.
Pretty sure you did.
thing is a beast. Jesus, poor Pete. That house is gonna be safe, I think.
Where hell weird?
Well, 3 suction vortices.
Oh wow.
That's like 3 almost.
That's 6 more images here.
Did you get that? Get it, get it.